In this video from Delft Stack, I will show you how to fix the too many redirects error on Android in simple steps. If you see this error in your browser, it usually means the website is stuck in a loop and your phone cannot load it properly. The first and most common fix is to clear your browser cache and cookies. Open Chrome, tap the three-dot menu, go to Settings, then Privacy and Security, and select Clear Browsing Data. Choose All Time. Make sure cookies and site data and cached images and files are selected, then tap Clear Data. This removes old stored website data that may be causing the issue. Next, try using Incognito mode. Open a new Incognito tab in Chrome and visit the website again. If it works here, the issue is likely caused by corrupted cookies or site data in normal browsing mode. You should also check site settings. Go to Settings, then Site Settings, and look for pop-ups and redirects. Make sure nothing is blocking or misconfigured for the site you are trying to open. Another important step is checking your date and time settings. Go to your phone, Settings, Open Date and Time, and make sure Set Time automatically is turned on. Wrong time settings can break secure website connections and cause redirect errors. If the problem continues, try using a different browser like Firefox or Microsoft Edge. This helps you confirm if the issue is only with Chrome. Finally, disable any VPN you are using. VPNs can change routing paths and sometimes create redirect loops on certain websites. These steps should help you fix the too many redirects error on Android and allow websites to load normally again. Thanks for watching.